What's up, YouTube? I want to talk to you guys today about what do you get for $16. It's a sports camera. It looks like a GoPro. It has many of the benefits of a GoPro. Now, mind you, this is an older model that has all the little knickknacks, stuff to put on your bike, a helmet, pad, whatever. You got straps, you get the power cord, and it comes in this box. Now, if you've ever heard of drop shipping, this is a drop ship item that I found on eBay. I bought 2 of them. I'm tired of dropping my GoPro style camera. I find this camera is very beneficial. I can buy many of the other attachments that don't come with it for like $10. So I can get probably 60 parts, $10 within 2 weeks. So if I lose it, let's say I put this on my lawnmower, my push lawnmower, and someone steals my mower. Well, I'm out that part. I'm out this part, but this part, I apologize. But I don't have to worry about it. I bought 2 of these cameras with all these parts. I bought an extra pack for $10. So for about less than $50, I bought 2 cameras with all this essential stuff, backup, a case, and these cameras come in these boxes. Not bad. Not bad for a $16 item that I found on eBay. Now, the seller is rated well, 4 to 5 star ratings, most of them. I don't have a problem with any of the overall issues some people might get, but like for everything you see here, you can attach it to your mower and other things. I mean, look at it. It's the attachment there that might go on this, that goes on the bottom of that. This can go screw somewhere, and that just takes out of the waterproof thing, slide it in there. Okay? It's pretty much all the attachments you're going to need. And if I spent $400 on a camera at Best Buy, something similar to this, I would spend a lot of money. You got the basic instructions. You got everything you need here. For $16, I think it's worth it because I'm in the lawn business. I drop them. They don't always work. I leave them out in the rain. I forget about them. $16, it's worth the investment. It's HD quality. The SD cards you have to buy separate. It's kind of a downside, but it's not a big deal because most SD cards you can get like a 32 gig SD card that fits in this for about $10. Free shipping. Buy 2 or 3 of them. You always have something for backup. You can always buy these batteries. Okay, the batteries that go in these, how cheapo. Get 4 of them, probably for less than $20. I can get for my camera, my Canon camera that I'm filming on right now, I can buy 4 of these batteries for this camera for less than $30. I'm sure you can find 4 batteries for this older style GoPro camera online, not a big deal. And everything you can buy backup. You can be like a pro. You can go out there and film. You can get a selfie stick that attaches to this. Or even one of the other filming sticks for about, let's say, less than 100. You can probably get it for like 60 bucks. You probably get everything. 2 cameras, extra attachments, SD cards, extra batteries, all for less than $150. And you look like a pro. You look like you know what you're doing. People like, oh, you got a GoPro camera, when all you really have is an off-brand camera. Let's see if we can focus in there. There's probably too much reflection from the light there, but I think you get the point. You get everything, and it's affordable, If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Like and subscribe. Check us out on Patreon and other social websites. And don't forget about dropship options. People are making money selling stuff that comes from China. And if you don't have $400 or $500 or a couple $1,000s to buy video equipment, it's an option. Check it out. And thanks again. Have a great day.